Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to make money online. In recent years, the internet has become an incredibly popular platform for generating extra income, and it's not hard to see why. The benefits of online money-making methods are numerous, and the barrier to entry is relatively low, making it an accessible option for anyone who wants to try their hand at it. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or start a new business venture, there are plenty of options available to you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 ways to make money online. 1. Take online surveys. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through completing online surveys. While the payouts won't make you an overnight millionaire, you can earn some pocket cash by taking surveys on websites like swagucks, etc. This survey panels will give you points after you successfully complete a survey, which you can redeem for cash back or rewards. Although no survey panel has a threshold for withdrawal, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash for online activities like taking surveys, searching the web, and trying new offers that are featured on the website. If you would like to take online surveys, you can join one of the popular survey panels, swagucks, for free in under 60 seconds, and get new member sign-up bonuses through the link in this video description. 2. Write and monetize blog posts. If you're passionate about writing, starting a blog can be a great way to make money online. There are many reasons people create blogs, including sharing opinions and experiences, marketing products or services, or educating people on a certain topic. There are numerous methods to make money blogging, including selling ad spaces, becoming an affiliate, accepting brand sponsorships, and selling products. Selling ad spaces on your blog is a popular way to monetize it. Advertisers will pay you to place their ads on your website, and you can earn money every time someone clicks on them. Becoming an affiliate is another popular option. Essentially, publishers or individuals can apply for affiliate programs in order to be added as an official affiliate. Once you're accepted, you'll receive a way to share an affiliate link to the product or service you're interested in promoting. When someone buys the product after clicking your link, you'll receive credit for the referral, along with the commission. Accepting brand sponsorships is another way to monetize your blog. If your blog has a large following, companies may be interested in sponsoring your blog posts. You can also sell products on your blog, such as ebooks, courses, or merchandise. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. Essentially, publishers or individuals can apply for affiliate programs in order to be added as an official affiliate. Once you're accepted, you'll receive a way to share an affiliate link to the product or service you're interested in promoting. When someone buys the product after clicking your link, you'll receive credit for the referral, along with the commission. Affiliate marketing works best when you help a visitor understand why a certain product may be the right one for them. Building trust with your audience is the most important thing to cultivate with affiliate marketing. 4. Start a YouTube channel. One of the most popular ways to make money online is to start a YouTube channel. The first step is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from beauty to technology to gaming. The key is to choose a niche that you can create engaging content around. Once you have decided on your niche, you can start creating videos. The most successful YouTube channels are those that either entertain or educate their audience. You could create tutorial videos, product reviews, or vlogs, for example. The next step is to grow your audience. This can take time, but there are a few things you can do to speed up the process. Firstly, make sure that you are creating high-quality content that people will want to watch and share. Secondly, promote your channel on social media and other platforms. Thirdly, engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a community around your channel. Once you have reached the YouTube threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours, you can start making money from your channel, and the most common way to do this is by running ads on your videos. Beyond advertising revenue, you can also offer paid product placement to big brands, sell products, or become an affiliate to make money on YouTube. 5. Becoming an online tutor. Share your knowledge and earn money from anywhere. In recent years, online tutoring has become a popular way for people to share their expertise with students all around the world. Whether you have a passion for teaching or simply want to earn some extra income, online tutoring can be a rewarding and flexible career choice. Here are the steps you can take to become an online tutor and share your knowledge with people from all over the world. Choosing your subject. The first step to becoming an online tutor is to choose a subject you are well versed in. This could be anything from chemistry to math to foreign languages. The key is to choose a subject you are passionate about and have a deep understanding of. When choosing your subject, it is important to consider your target audience. Are you looking to tutor high school students, college students, or adults? Different age groups will have different learning needs, so it is important to choose a subject and teaching style that will resonate with your target audience. Developing your teaching materials. Once you have chosen your subject, it is time to start developing your teaching materials. This could include creating lesson plans, designing visual aids, and gathering resources, such as textbooks and online articles. As an online tutor, you will also need to have access to a reliable internet connection and a computer with a webcam and microphone. This will allow you to conduct virtual lessons with your students and communicate with them in real time. Building your credibility. To build your credibility as an online tutor, it is important to obtain certifications and qualifications in your chosen subject. This could include obtaining a teaching certification or earning a degree in your subject area. You can also build your credibility by creating a strong online presence. This could include creating a website or blog where you can share your knowledge and expertise with others. You can also participate in online forums and discussion groups related to your subject area to connect with others in your field and share your insights and ideas. Finding students. Once you have developed your teaching materials and built your credibility, it is time to start finding students. There are a variety of online tutoring platforms available, such as TutorMe and Fiverr, which connect tutors with students from all over the world. When creating your profile on these platforms, be sure to highlight your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. You should also set your rates and availability so that students can easily find and book sessions with you. As you build your reputation as an online tutor, you may also find that students start seeking you out through word-of-mouth recommendations or by finding your website or blog online. So, those are 5 ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for ways to generate some extra cash on the side or start a new business venture, we hope this video has helped you decide how you'd like to earn money online. Put your knowledge to good use, work hard, and start making money online today. Good luck! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.